Do you ever pass urine while coughing, sneezing, laughing, or exercises? You might be dealing with stress urinary incontinence, and you are not alone. Urine leak while coughing, sneezing, and laughing occurs because of the pressure increases over the bladder, and leaks happen. It is not due to emotional stress, but because of the physical pressure. It happens because of the weakened pelvic floor muscles and problems with the urethral sphincter. Common causes: pregnancy, childbirth, aging, obesity, postmenopausal, or certain surgeries. Is it common? Absolutely. Millions of women as well as few men also suffers with the stress urinary incontinence, thinking that it's normal or untreatable, but that's not true. Many of the treatment modalities are available now, like pelvic floor muscle exercises or bladder training, certain medications in special situations, avoiding the bladder irritants or weight loss, or minimal invasive surgeries like stress urinary incontinence sling surgeries or bulking agent can help you and regain your control.